Jonathan is a construction site manager for Suez in Carcassonne. To manage water network emergencies, he frequently travels throughout the territory. Suez wishes to reduce the carbon footprint of their operations and continue to operate in future low-emission zones. Jonathan refuels at the Atawey Compact Station. Installed in 2020 with a distribution capacity of 6 kilograms, it serves as a temporary solution until a larger station is available when more vehicles are on the road. And there will be. Many hydrogen vehicles are currently in various manufacturers' R&D workshops. For their testing and demonstration tours across the territories, refueling options are limited. There are less than 40 stations capable of recharging a hydrogen car in France today, and even fewer for heavy vehicles. Atawey's mobile station will allow for the development of these new vehicles on test tracks and testing by future customers. The addition of buses and trucks will help reduce the carbon footprint related to transportation, which is currently responsible for 33% of our CO2 emissions. These heavy vehicles, like the retrofitted Nomad coach in Normandy, will have to refuel at larger capacity stations. The Nomad coach will fill up with hydrogen in less than 20 minutes at the Evolutive Atawey station in Évreux. The distribution capacity of the Evolutive stations can increase from 100 kilograms to 1 ton, depending on the needs of a given fleet. This is the choice made by the city of Moutier. Their station, operational in 2022, will go from 100 to 200 kilograms of hydrogen distributed per day. The hydrogen will be transported by tube trailer, then compressed, cooled, and distributed by Atawey equipment. In Chambéry, another supply option has been chosen: on-site hydrogen production by electrolysis. Every day, Mitch and Suaz, cab drivers from Chautagne, recharge their vehicles in 5 minutes at the Evolutive station in Chambéry. This station is part of the Zero Emission Valley network, like the one in Moutier. When one of these stations is under maintenance, a mobile station can be deployed to ensure hydrogen refills for Mitch, Suaz or Jonathan. The challenges of these new hydrogen ecosystems include usage, vehicle availability, appropriate station sizing, and on-site or centralized green hydrogen production. As a player in the sector since 2012, Atawey supports the financing, project setup, production, installation, commissioning, maintenance and operation of hydrogen infrastructures. Atawey offers a wide range of stations designed for construction sites, vehicle tests, pilot projects, territorial networking to achieve a massive infrastructure deployment. The options are mobile for temporary needs, scalable in distribution capacity from 100 kilograms to 1 ton per day, compact for industrial fleets. Our stations cater to all types of vehicles: trucks, buses, garbage trucks, construction equipment, forklifts, cars, cargo bikes, to meet the needs of new hydrogen ecosystems.